Custer Replacement Hospital, Wood Log Column Inlays, Jorgensen Log Homes Inc.
Master Craftsman, Superintendent David Kline. Craftsmen, Richard Henn, James Fisher, and Lane Temple.
My name is Bob Jorgensen with Jorgensen Log Homes. We would like to thank Skull Construction for the work and the nomination and the recognition for our company. We provided the log accents for the new Custer Regional Hospital in Custer. Matt Lewison and his crew of builders, being recognized tonight, along with help from the Skull Construction crews, worked to accomplish this project. It was unusual in that it required 23-inch diameter logs to be cut into halves and then cut into quarters, reshaped, and then we fit them into 12-inch by 12-inch by 1-inch by X-shaped structural steel columns. This was done to have a handcrafted log appearance. If you're ever sick in Custer, we encourage you to visit our new hospital. Thank you, Bob Jorgensen.